everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to look at a gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS killer car, guys. We actually got this car locally. Guys own this car for over 20 years. Matter of fact, he said the paint on this car is this car was actually originally restored 20 years ago. This paint's 20 years old and it's beautiful. You can't tell it's not 2 years old. Very well maintained car. That's how we actually ended up with the car. A buddy of mine who owns a mechanic shop was going through this car for him, and he actually drove the car over here and I bought it. But great car, finished in cranberry red. It's got the black vinyl interior. Of course, it's got the black Super Sports striping. That's an operable cowl hood that does work. Of course, it's got the pins. Original T3 headlighting. Look how nice that paint is. I mean, it is beautiful. Car's only got 5,200 miles on the resto. Look how pretty the paint is. Bumpers have obviously been replaced. Dual chrome mirrors. It's got soft gray glass in it. And I'll tell you what, very impressed by the way it drove. Shifts out good, nice and tight, plenty of horsepower. He said he has done some upgrades over the years, which obviously you'll see underneath the hood. But nice car, man. Nice, like I say, hits the road great. You can definitely tell this car has been very well maintained. Nice and straight down the sides. Of course, that iconic Chevelle stance. Pretty car. It's actually got 15s on the rear and 14s on the front. The SS rallies, BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. Of course, these cars had front disc brakes on them. Not a matching numbers engine. Really good running 454 underneath the hood here. It's got a Edelbrock 4-barrel, 400 turbohydramatic trans. Really shifts out good. You can see it's got a aluminum intake. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got air. We do have to charge the air. My buddy told me that. It does have headers on it. HEI distributor. You can see he's upgraded. It's got all the March aluminum pulleys and brackets. It's got a 4-core aluminum radiator with the dual electric fans. He's upgraded the power steering. They said it is a functional cowl hood. It works. Like I say, just a really nice car. Very well done. Whoever he had restore this car did a really nice job. I mean, look at the paint. Gorgeous. Again, dual chrome mirrors. Door handles look good. Door seams are nice and clean. It looks like the car's got all the original panels still on it. Bucket seats, center console, tilt column with a sport wheel. Looks like it's got all the factory seat belts in it. Headliner looks good. Tach and gauges, yeah, 5220. That's the miles on the resto. Audiosounds radio, blower motor, all that stuff was working in there. Like I say, we are going to have to charge the air. My buddy told me that. He said that that was the only thing he kind of, you know, hadn't done. Look at that. How cool is that? Old bias-ply Goodyear spare with a jack. This is black surface mist. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Like I say, it looks like it has all the original body panels. Everything's nice and tight, opens and closes nice. I mean, clean underneath, definitely not overdone. Of course, it's got that 12-bolt F40 rear axle with the F41 suspension. It's a 331 gear. Seats look really good. I know there's an owner's manual in the glove box. It's got some aftermarket gauges under there too. Center console looks good. Really good car. And like I say, it really hit the road great. See the hood operates like it's supposed to. Again, nice and tight, man. Shifted out great. It's a good car. Really good car. I can do these pins by myself. Flowmaster duals, got the chrome tip, sounds good. Works. All your gauges are functional and they're working down below. Fit and finish is really nice. Backup lights work. That's a nice car, man. Radio works, blower motor works, wipers are functional, all the T3s on it, that's pretty cool. Again guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. You can also register for our website now. Great way to keep track of us if you're looking for a certain vehicle. That's a great way to keep in touch with us now, guys.